Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your Honeywell Home thermostat. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're at an Airbnb and you want to go ahead and turn off your Honeywell Home thermostat. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this is the model of the Honeywell Home thermostat that we have. And so in order to turn it off, what you're going to do is that you want to go ahead and turn it on. And then on the top left-hand corner, you're going to see this mode button. So click on this top left button. Right now, you can see that cool is blinking. But if you click on it again, you're going to see that heat is blinking. And if you're going to click on it again, you're going to see that off is blinking. So have it highlight off and then click on save. And then that's going to go ahead and turn off your Honeywell Home thermostat. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off your Honeywell Home thermostat. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.